Okay, so this is kind of follow-up for this battery of the refrigerator. It was locked. What does it mean that it was locked? When I measured voltage on the connector, I did see some volts, but very low, 1 or 2 volts, and then I had to connect the connector again and do a charging. The charge, many times it's like unlocking the BMS. If it was in a state that it decided to cut off the power, then sometimes when you charge it back, it is back to life. Now I can show you the voltage here. Yeah, let's disconnect now the charge and check the voltage. You can see 10.4 volts. Yeah, now I need to charge it, of course, to get it back to full capacity. Full capacity will be 12.6, and then later I will close everything and check it under power consumption. For example, current of 5 or 10 amps. I think it should handle it, and then I will know that everything is done correctly. So the next thing is, after it is charged to above, let's say 11.5 volt, I will not get to maximum voltage, no need, just to be at a voltage that is okay, and then we will test it. Okay, so as you can see, the battery is still charging, but I'm going to stop it, and it is near the nominal voltage, which was written 11.1 volt. And what I'm going to do is now to stop the charging. Yeah, I'm disconnecting the charging points, and now I will connect our load. Yeah, so the load is now carefully connected. You can see the voltage. The wires are exactly, so I will move it a little to the side and take the wire like this, so you will be able to see here the numbers. And now basically it's the final test. I will do a load, which means load for the battery, and we will see if it handle, because I'm connecting just with two of, by the way, there are 3 minus and 3 plus, 3 connectors. All the 3 are the same, so I'm just connecting with one. So I will bring the current, maybe we can see it like this. Okay, 1 amp will go to 5. Don't want it to hit too much because I'm on one connector. We'll go to 6. Okay, we can see that the load is okay. The voltage drop, but it's not the real voltage because there is a lot of drop on the wires themselves. And I will stop and do again load test. Yeah, and I can confirm now that the battery is okay. So this is the final test to check under load, and if everything is okay, we can close everything and we can say that we have here a fix. So thank you and bye.